Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get $200 bonus with Apple Card promotion. Right, so here we are into, by the way, you need to open your Apple Wallet mobile application in iOS, and this only works in iOS, not in iMac or any Android or phones, right? So just get your iOS phone right now. So here, first of all, you have to check the eligibility. So you have to confirm promotion eligibility. Ensure that $200 bonus promotion is currently available, right? Because it's only available for some days, and right now, if you are eligible for that, of course, you can just go for it. The promotion is typically for new Apple Card users who have not previously applied or held any Apple Cards. So if you're one of them who till now haven't used Apple Wallet in your username, you can just of course apply for it. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the steps. Open your Apple Wallet on your iPhone, open your wallet app, tap the plus icon to add a new card, fill out the application form with your personal information, agree the terms and conditions if approve. Your Apple Card will be added to your wallet app instantly. If it's not adding, then you can just go to the customer care, and by the way, you can also reach out from this Apple Wallet website as well as from the mobile application too, and they will help you with it, right? So these are the ways which you can do it. So make sure after that you can just use your $200 bonus purchases and everything. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.